Meghna ma'am is at the top, so yeah, ma'am, request you to speak next and take it forward.
Good evening, everybody. It's a fantastic evening. I mean, despite COVID, we're maintaining the protocols. I'm so happy talking about this favorite topic of mine. So, thank you, Vihab and Deepa, for hosting AHA. We're very excited to be here. So, first thing is, like, over the past 8 or 9 years, I've been asked to speak about women empowerment, gender equality, women at workplace, at least 5, 6 times, I think, not as many as you. But it never tires me because it's a very relevant issue in today's times. So, and how do you break the glass ceiling is one thing, because she obviously Deepa had mentioned women entrepreneurs ante కిచెన్లో ఏదో చేసుకోవడమో లేకపోతే డిజైనింగో ఇట్లా జ్యువెలరీయో ఇట్లా అని, which is not definitely not a bad thing. It's a fantastic space. It's a creative space. But there are obviously more industries and avenues that women can get into. Nobody is stopping them, definitely, but it's just about encouraging them, considering the scenarios and the education system and the society that we've been brought in. There's a drastic change. It's fantastic. It's phenomenal what we were 10 years ago to what we are right now. So I'm very grateful to have a platform that was given to me by visionaries like by my father-in-law, Dr. J. Rameshwara Garu, my home group, my father, Dr. G.S. Rao Garu, Yashoda Hospital. But I also understand it's not easy for everybody. And what VHub is doing is very relevant. And I'm really proud of our current government and what kind of work Deepa is doing. And kudos to that. I would also like to add that, you know, we are doing a little bit. So right now she just spoke about the lot of women in AHA, right? So what I would like to point out is, firstly, statistically, we're at least 40% is our current women percentage. 40 to 60 is our ratio, women to man. Now, obviously, no organization or institute picks based on gender, correct? And it's based on purely performance. So I'm very proud to say that all the women that are here at AHA are purely skill based, not gender based. And that's an amazing point to be proud of, right? And I'm so glad that things are changing in the urban scenario. And I also would like to mention 11th Hour, the show that we are talking about. Hello, 11th Hour team. I'm so glad to be speaking about this topic. It's very close to my heart, you know. And the whole show revolves around all these topics: gender equality, women empowerment, women at workplace, and how the female lead basically makes sure that she saves her organization. It's a big deal, you know. It's an inspiring story, and society at large has to be aware of such stories. And that's one reason why we picked up this content piece. And I would also like to mention that Sam Jam Show, Samantha Akineni, and written and scripted by Mrs. Nandini Reddy, if I'm not mistaken, and Male, produced by Swapna and Priyanka Dutt as well. See, I'm not mentioning these content pieces because they're done, produced or written or directed by women, because they got our subscriptions. I'm saying it's purely talent based. So I'm glad that I'm glad to talk about these content pieces because they're by women, but it's completely, result oriented. So that's one fantastic thing that I would like to announce. And towards the end of the day, we at AHA would like to curate content which are relevant to today's society, which inspire the society, which possibly are thought-provoking, and that's what we want to do. And let's see how things go with our collaboration. We're very excited, and we're very pleased to say that we are here at VHub. And thank you so much.